Hey everyone, it's your favorite SD Bae, Cori Anika. Welcome back to my channel. So today I put together this motivational video for girls like me. For colored girls, it's not about where you're from, it's about where you're going. I designed this video to motivate girls who may feel as if because they're from a certain area or they may have a certain background that they're not good enough for a certain job or to work with certain people, or they may feel like they're automatically going to fail. I put together some key fundamental characteristics that it's good to have to help you excel in your daily life, whether you're in the beauty business world or not. So the first one I have is confidence. Always have confidence in yourself. Always tell yourself that I could do this. I'm ready for this. Always have a willpower attitude. If you don't believe in yourself, who's going to believe in you? The second one is educate yourself. The internet right now is a killing. You know what I'm saying? You can research anything and you can get some answers on it. You can find videos and things of that nature to help build your mindset. Teach yourself. You're your best educator. Life is also going to help you, but you helping yourself, that's a first start right there. The third one, always stay true to yourself. Always be yourself no matter where you go to. That's another form of independency. People may think that being independent only requires you to have money and stuff like that. Independent is a way of life. Independent is how you think, being able to think for yourself and not allowing other people to deteriorate you from, your regular goals or how you think. You know what I'm saying? Just because, you like something and someone doesn't like what you like or you don't like that doesn't mean that you guys have to, dislike each other or there's something wrong with the next person. No, you like what you like, they like what you like, they like what they like, and that's just what it is. You know what I'm saying? Another form of independency is being able to think for yourself, which goes back into the second key I had of educating yourself. So it's very important that you stay true to yourself. You never be afraid if you don't know something. Never feel like you're less than or you're stupid or something like that. Always be, strong will and let people know this is what it is. And, this is who I am. This is what I like. This is what I do. I don't do that. Never be afraid to say no. Never be afraid to turn down an option or an offer or a client or a job when you realize that it's not going to work for you. You know what I'm saying? Another key form I had. So far I went over being confident. The second one was educating yourself. The third one was being true to yourself. And the last one I have is gratitude. Do everything with a sense of gratitude. Gratitude. Do everything with a sense of gratitude and appreciation, because that's how people will feel like they're appreciated, and that's how you excel more in life. You know what I'm saying? Always say thank you so much for having me. When your client comes in, thank you so much for coming. It don't matter if you done seen that girl about 100 times. If she done came 100 times, always thank her for coming and always tell her have a great day. You're going for an interview, whether whether you're in the beauty industry or whether you're in college and you're about to do something, always thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to meet with you. It's a good business standpoint. So it doesn't matter if you're a black girl from a tough neighborhood in Miami and you never really fit in like that. Always just be yourself. People are going to love you for who you are. And if they don't love you for who you is, then that's just them then. They missing out. You know what I'm saying? And always stay true to yourself. Never do anything that is gonna make you feel uncomfortable, but you want to do it anyways because you want to please other people. You got to please yourself first. You can have a big heart. You can do everything with a sense of kindness and things like that, but always remain true to yourself because you don't want to lose yourself in the process. You know what I'm saying? And I'm speaking from personal experiences too. I was someone who never really much fit in like that with my peers, but I always try to remain true to myself. You know what I'm saying? I always try to have the attitude where I accept you, you accept me. It may not always work like that in today's society, but you'll meet people who love you for you. You'll meet that opportunity that fits you. Everything will just work for you in due time. So with those key steps, those key fundamental characteristics, I'll say them again: confidence, educate yourself, stay true to yourself, and always do everything with a sense of gratitude. You'll be very far and you'll get to where you need to be, and you won't feel uncomfortable in yourself anymore. You know what I'm saying? Because as black girls, we already have a statistic we have to meet. We already have a statistic that we have to get past. So with these key steps, I'm pretty sure that, after training your mind to think that way, you'll feel comfortable anywhere you go, anyone you're around, and you'll be more open-minded to take on new opportunities and, just experience new things for yourself. So I hope this video, helped a girl out there like me. And I hope that, you guys could feel more confident in yourself, because sometimes it's not easy being confident and being young. So I understand. And thank you so much, Jessica, for the DM on Instagram. I will continue to make more videos. I have more tutorials coming. I have a lot of great videos in store that you guys could relate from. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your messages. They don't go unnoticed. And if you guys have any comments, or if you guys have any personal experiences where you didn't feel confident in yourself, leave them in the comment. I will reply back to you. I'm open to speaking. As I said in my previous video, I do believe in helping other women out there, other girls like myself. So subscribe, comment, leave a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you soon.